In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own account and start selling. When you are on their landing page, you will see the Join option on the top right menu bar. Click on it and you will see a pop-up window. You can enter your email in this window to continue with the rest of the procedure, or you can choose to connect with your Facebook or Google. It's up to you on whether you choose to connect Fiverr to your social media platform or not. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you through entering my email address. Once you've entered your email address, click on the Continue button. Then, choose your username and key in your password. And once you're done with that, click on the Join button. You will need to activate your account. Check your mailbox for the confirmation email and follow the steps to activate your account. And that's all there is to it. You've created your own account. Moving on, to configure your own account, hover over to the username on the top right of the page. You will see an option of My Profile. Click on it and wait for it to load. You will then go to your profile page. You can edit the one-line statement here by clicking on this. Then you can add a photo to your profile. This is an essential part because your profile picture is going to represent the first impression to your visitors. So be wise on choosing your profile picture. You can also edit the About section here. Once you're done editing your profile page, click on the Save button to complete the procedure. Now, hover over to the username once again and click on the Settings option. There are 4 sections here, and I'm going to walk you through each one. Let's start with Public Profile Settings. You can add the languages you speak in this section as well. Click on the Add Language and select your options. Then click on Save Changes. In the Account Settings page, you can edit your full name and email address. The email address field will be filled automatically according to the email you've set in the beginning. In the case that you connect your account with your Facebook, it will be the email that you used for your Facebook. Same thing happens if you connect it to your Google account. You can edit your billing information here as well, such as your business name, house address, and so on. And once you're done, click on Save Changes. You can also set your own security question in the Security Settings tab. This is to prevent others from hacking into your account. You can choose not to set this up too. Moving on, the last tab is the Account Actions tab. You can change your password here, as well as terminate your Fiverr account. That's all there is to it. You can start selling now.